Jodhpur, India. A gang of bachelor male langurs has come to challenge the resident alpha male. This alpha rules over a valuable urban territory. But maintaining dominance here is a constant struggle. The bachelors have united to try and overthrow him. If they win, one of the challengers will take over the alpha's troop of females and may kill his infants. There are 15 males in this bachelor group. The alpha must evict every single one of them from his territory. He has chased half the bachelors away, but a splinter group has looped back and is harassing his females. Once again, he has to battle. Finally, he manages to expel them all. He returns home victorious, but with a serious wound on his right leg. It's a hard life for him in the city. Keeping the intruders away is a daily challenge. But it's worth it. For these urban territories are probably the best langur territories in the world. They're filled with rich feeding grounds. Here in the temple gardens, the langurs have, over centuries, developed a surprising relationship. One that guarantees them a constantly replenished source of food. The people here associate langurs with the Hindu god Lord Hanuman and revere them. They're given all the food they can eat. And this high-energy diet has led to a baby boom. Female langurs in this city give birth to twice as many young as their forest counterparts. This mother is so well fed that her rich milk can support something rarely seen in the wild: twins. And all these babies can create troops that are far larger than those found in the forest nearby. With less time spent looking for food, there is more time for play. The rewards of living in a city can be huge.